Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to change MacBook Screensaver. If your MacBook screen shows the same screensaver every time your MacBook is idle, you might want to change it to something more personal or visual appealing. The good news is that changing the screensaver on a MacBook is very quick and only takes a few clicks. In this video, I will show you step by step how to change the screensaver on your MacBook, how to select different styles and how to customize the timing to the screensaver appears exactly when you want it. So let's get started. Step number 1, click on this Apple icon here, open System Preferences. Now under System Preferences, go on Desktop and Screensaver. Now you can see here two tabs, Desktop and Screensaver. Okay, now you will see a list of different screensaver here. Styles available on your MacBook come with several built-in screensavers such as landscape view, cityscapes, underwater scenes, abstracts animation, photo collections. Simply click on any screensaver from the list to preview it. Let's suppose I will take this classic one. Okay. When you select one, a preview will appear here on the right side so you can see how it look when your MacBook is idle. Choose the one only you like the most. Let's suppose I will select this classic and I will click on the preview option to look how it is looking on my MacBook. As you can see, the color is changing, and if you want to come back to your desktop, just press enter. As you can see, you're on your back to the screen. You can also use your own photo to make it more personalized. From that, you can click on desktop. You can see here photos. Click on photos. Now select the photo from your Mac. I currently do not have any of the photo. Select the photo from here. Okay, now add it on screensaver side. And you can also adjust screensaver timing. Now you can control when the screensaver appears. Look at the show screensaver after. This option is ticked. And you can see here it is selected 20 minutes. Click on the drop down menu here and choose how long your MacBook should wait before starting the screensaver. For example, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or how long you want. Choose the timing that works best for you. I will leave it at by default. And you can also preview the different screensaver. Just click on preview and you can see how it is looking on your MacBook. As you can see, the lighting effect of this screensaver. And press enter to get back to your screen like this. Music library it is. Your music library does not contain any song. I have not set any song on this album, that's why it is showing like this. So this is the steps to change screensaver on your Mac, and that's it. That's how you can easily change the screensaver. Just open system settings, go to the screensaver, choose your favorite style and adjust the timing. Customizing your screensaver is a simple way to make your MacBook feel more personal and visually interesting. In this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple MacBook tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.